crispy sweet peas and corn kernels really complement each other in flavor, and I just love that this recipe includes soft tofu too.
Stir-fried sweet peas and corn kernels together taste refreshingly sweet and crispy. They're a perfect match. Ingredients: silken tofu, sweet peas, corn kernels, olive vegetable. Sweet pea, wash and remove fiber. Cut into section and set aside. Sweet peas are packed with nutrients. They're rich in vitamin C and dietary fiber, which helps boost your immune system and is great for your gut health. Sweet peas have two main benefits. They're high in vitamin C for overall health and high in fiber to aid digestion. Remove silken tofu from packaging. Haha! The corners of my soft tofu are ruined. Steam soft tofu for 5 to 8 minutes after the water boils. But actually, it's already cooked and can be eaten cold without steaming. Cold tofu has a refreshing texture. Perfect! While the tofu is steaming, let's prepare the sweet peas and corn sauce for tofu. The sauce is super simple. Just stir-fry the sweet peas and corn with preserved olive greens until fragrant. Just add the preserved olive greens to your liking. I used about a tablespoon. Once the preserved olive greens are stir-fried, their savory and salty aroma comes right out. They have a rich fermented scent that's really appetizing. When cooked with sweet peas and corn, all the flavors blend together perfectly. Since the preserved olive greens are already salty, adding a teaspoon of sugar helps balance the flavor and makes it taste even better. Just add a little water, and you'll have your sauce. There you go! Just pour the stir-fried sweet pea and corn mixture over the soft tofu, and it's done! And just like that, this home-style dish is ready! Now you've got another simple and easy recipe to add to your dinner options, right? You can buy extra soft tofu and keep it stored in the fridge. That way, you can make this dish whenever you crave it. And feel free to adjust the sauce ingredients based on what you have on hand. It's super convenient. Soft tofu has so many health benefits. First, it's packed with high-quality plant-based protein that's easy to absorb. Second, it's low in calories but high in calcium, which is great for your bones. Third, it contains isoflavones, which are especially helpful for women's health. And lastly, it's super soft and really easy to digest, so it's gentle on your stomach. Sweet peas have some great health benefits. First off, they're really rich in vitamin C, which helps boost your immune system. Secondly, they're high in dietary fiber, great for digestion and gut health. Another thing is, they provide plant-based protein, making them a good source of nutrition. And lastly, they're low in calories, so you can enjoy them without any guilt. Corn kernels have some great benefits. First, they're high in fiber, which is good for your gut and helps with digestion. Second, they contain antioxidants like lutein that are really good for your eye health. Third, they're a great source of carbs that give you energy. And finally, they have vitamins and minerals like folate, which are important for your overall health. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For OVO-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.